Psychrometer for heating and air conditioning. Question: that with a heating and air conditioning, if the humidity is low, or if the humidity gets high and the temperature is high, at this point we can see the numbers to the right reads 94.1 degrees Fahrenheit. To the left, it's 55% humidity. Now, the longer one runs the HVAC system, hopefully the numbers on the temperature, the numbers to the right, the 93.5, will hopefully start to fall and come down the longer the HVAC system runs. Okay, but now here's the tipster. To the left, I say it's 58% humidity. What some people know, some people may not know, is that if one removing the heating and air conditioning system itself, if sized properly, may remove some of the humidity out of the air. But if one gets a dehumidifier, and my personal opinion is I would try to get one with the hose and the bucket, so you don't have to keep dumping it, because it'll create moisture and you'll have to keep dumping the water out of the bucket. But if you had a hose that went outside, then hopefully it would discharge on its own, but that's depending on probably how much money. But so if you took that 58% to the left hand side here, and you started lowering that 58%, if you were running your heating and air conditioning, to the right, this 91.8 degrees, although yes, it's still hot, true, but if you actually remove the moisture and lower this, it may not feel as hot on your skin, because the higher the humidity, or the relative humidity, or whatever they call it, the higher that becomes, then the more the heat it feels hotter on your skin. So now if you got a dehumidifier and remove the humidity out of the air, if the temperature was 75 or 80 degrees, say 75 in the house, with a low humidity, that may feel comfortable. But the number to the left, the 59%, if it got higher, it's going to feel hotter. So say it went up to 60% humidity in the air now, and the temperature to the right is, let's see here, the temperature is reading 91 degrees Fahrenheit with 60 degrees humidity. So the ideal situation would be to get that temperature to the right around, say, 75 degrees, and then get that humidity, if you could cut it in half or less. I'm not sure how low the dehumidifier will go in pulling the air, but although it would be hot, it may not feel as hot on the skin. But so this is humidity and temperature. So temperature and humidity. And again, the temperature currently reading here to the right-hand side is 90.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity is reading 61% humidity, and it feels extremely hot. But if you took that number, if you lowered that humidity, that number to the right, the Fahrenheit number, yes, it would still be hot, but it may not feel as hot on the skin. So this is dealing with humidity and temperature for HVAC, heating and air conditioning, primarily residential. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.